So pretty. If you ever be like, when she leave, where you going? You want me to come with you? Who is that I hear in the background? Now, look, I ain't gay. I like women. He good looking too. I bet she be like, I bet she be like, they been trying to talk to you today because they be at you too though. And then she got a sweet personality though. Yeah. You know, normal women be pretty like that.
They be stuck up, yeah.
You say something to her?
They be stuck up.
Yeah.
I know you're talking about.
And then you got a pleasant personality too. Young man like you, and come what they want, they wife, they want.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, bro. Alright. Knowing all the time.
That's true, yeah.
They stuck up, you know.
They pump up their chest a little bit.
Hey man, you know, a beauty can be a blessing, but it can be a curse too. Like say for instance, say pretty she said she didn't have no sense. You know how much that toss her up?
Right.
Yeah,
you know what I'm saying?
That's true,
you
yeah.
ain't got no sense.
Exactly, right.
Y'all look like sister and brother.
Everybody keeps saying that.
Really?
We're married.
I asked y'all a question since I did all that for Can y'all let me have 2 of y'all top teeth for peace?
What was that?
Teeth?
2 of your top teeth for peace. Can I get 2 of them for peace?
What's that?
Pizza? Hold on, what is that?
You see them top
Top
teeth y'all
teeth.
got?
Yeah,
He
yeah.
wants our top teeth.
2 of
Oh,
them.
Yeah. We get to choose them.
We are currently at the Apple store in Memphis, Tennessee, somewhere here, Tennessee. We're uploading our first YouTube video. How you feel, babe? I know you're excited.
Yeah, I'm fine. Excited. We worked on this for about 2 weeks on and off.
Oh yeah.
We was on off because we were driving, and then wherever we kind of find a place that we could edit. And we're new to working with videos at all, so it took us forever. So hopefully any future videos will be up a lot faster. For our own good.
Or we'll be just going to Apple stores across the US.
%done, about 40 something seconds left for our first video to upload to YouTube. It has been a long time waiting. I'm kidding. It's been a long time, a long process, but so glad we finally got this done. So we are downtown right now, Memphis. Oh my God, this looks so cool. I'm gonna put the window down. We're supposed to be checking out BB King's Blues Club. We're supposed to have like good music, good food. I don't even know who BB King is.
The best guitarist ever lived. That's it.
Oh, I'm sorry.
He's one of the best guitarists ever lived.
Thanks for the education, honey.
You take a ride in that?
Sure. I'm not dressed too fancy, but we're looking for parking in downtown Memphis. So
we don't want to spend $20 for like a couple hours.
We found out that it is $20 the fee to park here, and that is a flat rate. I don't know about you, but Tennessee, you already know you don't spend that $20 for a flat rate. There's mad people in here too, acting like money ain't a thing. Well, as you can see, money is a thing for us, so we on our way out the parking lot. Alright, so we went through where it says do not.
This would be nice.
It says do not enter, but yet we are still entering. Cause you know, strictly for the views outside. It's cool. Imagine like, can't y'all read the damn sign? Do not enter. What, y'all don't understand English or something? My husband wanted to see the views. What kind of view is this? Roofs on roofs on roofs. And Service Master. don't think it's that. There's nothing that special, honey. Alright, I'm gonna go on to the truck. It's a bit nifty up here.
Downtown Memphis. Getting in the elevator now. Ooh, it smells good in here.
It smells like cologne. It smells like a fresh old man in here.
Right?
So we are on our way to BB King's Blues Club in downtown Memphis. And I don't know who BB King is.
But you're excited?
I'm excited. Oh, I'm excited.
That's my baby's mama. She looking so good to me. That's my baby's mama. That's how it used to be. Me and the boys was at the club. My daddy used to bring me right down here on this block right out there in this bar. And he played this very song. But you see, my daddy was a blues man. Oh, thank you, hear me? You love me. Blues man.
Right there?
I'm gonna grab it.
To watch our thing.
Randy, watch your thing. Stay right there.
I want to catch it.
Listen, we can capture this one. pictures. Oh, what is it? Oh, can I write it? Yeah, let's capture this. Hold on.
I thought you started with an actual bird.
Me too. I thought you were talking about actual bird. I couldn't see anything.
Ladies and gentlemen,
We're sorry, this bird is not available for capture. So we capture birds from the city of Memphis. You can leave it right there. Nobody can touch it. You can lock it. Oh, this is someone's bird. This is someone's bird. I can't capture it. You know, you had me looking for an actual bird. I was like, a bird. Welcome to Memphis. Like, I don't see a bird. What does that say? Bird. Like, yeah. But I was looking. Were you looking for a bird?
Yeah.
That lady had me looking for an actual bird. I was like, am I blind? I was like, I can't see any birds. She walked up to the scooter and said, this is a bird.
I was like, oh man, I was like, I'm gonna catch like a pigeon or something.
We thought we were gonna catch a pigeon on our vlog, but apparently it was a scooter. We're actually gonna
Sugar sweet, repeat, repeat.
Yes, this is the hotel to the left of us. And we are sleeping here without permission.
do whatever we want. Sleeping outside the parking lot of the hotel.
I know.
We ain't trying to pay that fee.
Alright, so we woke up this morning and our battery is dead to our RV. So, well, obviously our RV, but the battery's dead. So we're trying to retract these, and obviously since the battery's dead, we cannot do it. So we have to do it manually. Found this tool inside, and I guess never used it before, but hopefully it works because I'm kind of trying to get out of Tennessee at this point. Okay, but back up, right there, I got it.
Okay. Yeah, good try. There you go. And then now. You're like, you could, so there's a different way you could do it. Yeah, you could do that. Here you go.
Alright. I did it. And my husband's PJs.